Well, we've got to our first French park up, which we weren't too sure about because it is a little bit muddy. But we didn't want to travel much further because it's about 4:20 and it goes dark at 5. There's nothing worse than trying to find a parking space when it's dark.
I agree. It's horrible trying to park in the dark.
Park in the dark. So we've got this little area where we've got an emptying point. We've got to go to the bakery and get a €3 token if we want to fill up with water or empty the toilet. But luckily we did it before we left. And there are bins and recycling.
And there's a pony stable here. I'm gonna go and see the ponies.
Yeah. How's it going, Indy? Camera girl, Indy. So this is a little village called Conti. It's about 10 kilometres from Rennes, just north of Paris, and we're using this as a stop off as we try and get down south as quick as possible. Sadly, tomorrow there are 50-mile-an-hour winds. We've decided to stay here. We don't know what's going to be open. Tomorrow is New Year's Day, so there might not be anything open, but there's a lot of space. We're not by any trees. We get to go into a lovely village for a little walk, so we'll always have something to do, which is good. But toilet's empty, water's, I think, pretty full. We put about 30 litres in before we left the UK, but we have got 10 litres as backup, and we are full of gas. There's Ponyland, Menagerie, which she really wants to go in. She's got all of her riding gear. So yeah, we're here for a couple of days, and this episode is just going to be us scooting through France. So we're trying to do it in less than a week so we can get to Spain and really start exploring. Kylas just spotted this. Look at that.
Wow. They're not taking diesel train. That's awesome. It looks like a diesel train. It's so cool.
It's not actually locked, but I think it's not someone's house.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's like an old, I'm going to say fire engine.
It does look like an old fire engine, yeah. But it's got the hose pipes at the back.
Here we are. We are here. And there is a 2-hour walk or a 5-hour walk. That's some going, circuits 1 and 2. Thank you very much to the council. Cal has just gone into the bakery to see if we can get a token to fill up with water and to empty tomorrow before we leave. No, the next day. We're staying here for 2 days. Just why the weather is bad. We're going to take you up to the church, have a look at the church, and hopefully the Christmas tree lights will be on. Check out this shop.
I touched it on fun.
An old eMac.
That's so cute.
Very expensive. So that was a little quick walk around Conti, where we are. We're just on an air. We have retired for the evening because it's gone really dark and it's only 5 o'clock. And it's New Year's Eve, so Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
You're probably not watching this until... Good girl. You're probably not watching this until April. maybe. But we've got some soups, some breads, some vegetables, some cheeses, some hummus, and we're going to crack a bottle of Prosecco open to bring in the new year very early, and then we'll probably be in bed for 8 o'clock.
Absolutely.
We will see you on our next travel day, which will be day 3 in France when the wind stops.
Mommy, that's a little bit too much.
Oh, it's a little bit too much. Hindi, do you want to say bye-bye?
Bye!
See you later.
Thank you for joining us on our adventure this week. Please subscribe for more of our videos and make sure that you come and say hi in the comments.
See you next week. Bye!